Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel where we talk about all things online business. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make money online by blogging. Blogging is a great way to share your passion with others and make money while doing it. So, let's get started. Step 1. Choose your niche. This is the topic or subject that your blog will focus on. It's important to choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has a large audience. Step 2. Create a content plan. This is where you decide what topics you'll cover in your blog and how often you'll post. Consistency is key when it comes to blogging. Step 3. Create high-quality content. This means writing well-researched, interesting articles and using high-quality images and videos. Step 4. Promote your blog. Share your blog posts on social media, guest post on other blogs, and participate in online communities related to your niche. Step 5. Monetize your blog. This is where the money comes in. You can make money through ads, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and selling digital products. There are several popular blogging platforms that are great for beginners. Here are a few options. Number 1. WordPress. WordPress is one of the most popular blogging platforms in the world, and it's a great option for beginners. It's free to use and offers a wide range of customization options, including thousands of themes and plugins. Number 2. Blogger. Blogger is a free blogging platform owned by Google. It's easy to use and offers a range of customization options, although it's not as flexible as WordPress. Number 3. Wix. Wix is a website builder that also offers a blogging platform. It's easy to use and offers a range of templates and customization options, although it's not as flexible as WordPress. Number 4. Squarespace. Squarespace is a website builder that also offers a blogging platform. It's easy to use and offers a range of templates and customization options, although it's more expensive than some other options. Number 5. Medium. Medium is a platform for publishing articles and blog posts. It's free to use and offers a simple, clean interface, although it's not as customizable as some other options. Ultimately, the best blogging platform for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Consider factors such as ease of use, customization options, and cost when choosing a platform. But wait, there's more. Here are a few additional tips and ideas that you can use to make even more money from your blog. Tip 1. Offer coaching or consulting services. If you have expertise in your niche, you can offer coaching or consulting services to your audience. This can be a great way to earn money while helping others. Tip 2. Create a digital product. Consider creating a digital product such as an ebook, online course, or printable that you can sell on your blog. This can be a great way to earn passive income. Tip 3. Network with other bloggers. Connect with other bloggers in your niche and collaborate on projects such as guest posting, webinars, and product launches. This can help you reach a wider audience and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Tip 4. Be patient and persistent. Making money through blogging takes time and effort, so don't get discouraged if you don't see results right away. Keep producing high-quality content, promoting your blog, and exploring new monetization strategies. And there you have it, follow these tips and you'll be well on your way to making money online through blogging. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. See you in the next one.